What's up, Candy Bar? This song, one of the greatest days of my life. Check it out. Yo, something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, something better than the past like tomorrow, something so different and drastic than sorrow. So happy that I trashed the thought it couldn't be better than the trash he bought me. My ex said he loved, but he loved me not. Just strung me along, part of some sick plot. You came in my life, my hero, made me see that I was more than a mirror, no zero. Our reflections, perfection, never neglected, so respected, don't even need sex in it. Got me wide open, 7-Eleven, above cloud 9, already in heaven. Can't wait till I can rub your feet, Jezebel. When we fuck to sleep at the Sofitel, yeah. Make some hot beats, badass beats. I'm a star, but I'm yours to keep. Chocolate, but you twice as sweet, and I can't get no better.